So you want to wholesale, huh? Let me tell you what you do. Again, see these? See that? Door hangers. Cost me about, I don't know, 75, 100 bucks, 150 bucks, whatever it was. I don't remember. But you're gonna buy a ton of these. Every single time that you're in a neighborhood, you're looking. You're always looking, right? Every time you drive somewhere, just keep an eye out. See this house over here? You saw the driveway? Let me show you what I'm gonna do. See all this mess? That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't know who owns the house, but see this right here? There you go. I'm gonna put it on there. And if they look at it, hopefully they do. And if they do, they give me a call and try to make a deal. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Start doing that, and you might just get a deal. And if you don't, you just keep on doing it. Again, Daniel, Flipping Reality Homes. Got any questions? Let me know. Subscribe, like it, so you can see more of what I do every day. As a wholesaler, as a flipper, I know what gets business. You just got to do the work to do it. You can't be lazy. You always got to be working. There is no 9 to 5. There is no Monday through Friday. Sometimes you're going to be doing this on a Saturday, on a Sunday, on a holiday. Don't matter. You got to do it. If you want to make something work, make it happen, you got to put in your time. And even though I'm successful and I do it already, I've been doing it for a little over 4 years now. I don't mind getting my hands dirty sometimes, and I'm still to this day doing stuff like this. I could pay somebody to do it, but for what? I mean, I do pay some other people to do this too, but for me, I keep a stack of them in my truck. Everywhere I go, got a stack. See that? You don't need to have too many. You ain't gonna be going to every single house in the neighborhood. You're just looking for that one, that special one. And that's it. And while I'm here in this neighborhood, I'm gonna drive down a few streets, see if I see another one. I'm not gonna stop at just one. I mean, I'm already out here, I might as well do it. I'm not near my house. I drove out here to look at another house, and actually I have a flip going on right down the street. Just gonna do it. Get busy. That's it. Daniel, Flipping Reality Homes. Bye.